What is going on, everybody? So tonight we are gonna go back to Odessa. I did not schedule like a meet like last time, so keep your expectations very low, but this is gonna be more of like a typical Sunday night in Odessa. Sunday night cruise, what goes on, all the homies get together and we just kind of have a good time. So I got the truck washed up. I don't know if you can see that too well, but let's go ahead and get this bad boy started. We'll see you guys. Alright, what is going on, everybody? We are at Starbucks, so I think it's fixing to get lit here pretty soon. We got everybody out, getting wild. So we are getting a little bit crazy already. It hasn't showed up enough yet. We're gonna go get some Starbucks. I need to look here at the camera. I got a little screen up top, so if it's getting crazy, that's why. But I am going to go to, what's up, man? We'll holler at you guys here in a little bit. Nevaeh! Again, what are you doing, mama? Tots? How you doing, little mama? Oh my God! Hey, can you roll your eyes for me? Oh! And I know, I can tell you where she got that from, and she's standing right here. And you know, as Bill Cosby said it best, kids do the darndest things, baby. Oh, we got Big going over here. What's good, what's good? Oh, wife's right here, and he's still pulling moves on me. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at some cars. It hasn't gotten too crazy yet, so we'll see what's going on. Got the Mustang gang, got the Mustang gang, got the Mustang gang. All right, so little by little people are starting to show up. I don't know exactly how long it's gonna last here, but we will see. Hopefully it doesn't get too crazy, but we'll check everything out. I got a Bullet right here. That's really nice. Brand spanking new, baby. Odessa money for you. Beer bottles have broken out. Woo! Woo! So we got this. That's good, man. So we do got quite a bit of people out. What's up, man? It's a pretty sweet truck. What is up, baby? How y'all doing? Hello, young lady. How are you? Y'all staying warm? Yeah. Always. What's done with the Jeep, man?
It's Pro Charge.
Pro Charge. All-wheel drive. You already know what time it is, baby. All right, man. I'm gonna go check out the couple more. I'll let you, man. Get healthy. Over here hanging out. What's up, big dog?
Hey.
Yo. I do remember you, man. What's up?
Playing catch and shit.
Yes, sir. I do remember. What's up, guys? What are y'all up to?
Chilling, bro.
Staying away from where all the crazy stuff's gonna happen.
Trying to.
Yo, Papa, what's good? Big Demas. What's up? What's up, man? I see you on the Hellcat wheels. When'd you get this?
November.
November. It's nice, dude. Nice. I like it a lot, man. I like the sound of that. Yes, sir, man. Everybody's gonna leave you behind.
Where's that camel cat?
Oh, it's at the house, man. I brought the SS. All right, man. Appreciate you. Yes, sir. Sounds good. Swallow mob. And here you got, oh, just gotta show love to the old school. What's up, man? What's up, boy? Later, man. Gotta show a little love to the old school. What's up, man? People are still showing up. Like I said, I don't know how long this thing's gonna last. Hopefully it lasts a little bit longer than the one over there that we had the last time, but people do get a little bit crazy. People like to rev it up. People like to burn out. But hopefully we'll see how it goes, man. There's some more vehicles showing up, so we'll get a gander at those as well, man. Yo, 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 what's up, what's up, what's up? What's up, fellas? What's up, man? What y'all up to? What y'all up to? Staying warm? Staying warm? What's up, Don? Y'all live here?
Yeah.
Oh, who said no? Where you from, man? Andrews? What'd y'all come all the way over here for, man? This thing gonna get shut down, you know that. Hey, man, I got one question for you guys, man.
What up?
Who subscribed?
I did.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh,
bro.
hey, man, you look suspect, bro. He picked it up last minute. Was like,
Yeah, I was the one that subscribed as well.
yeah?
Yeah.
All right, my man, boy.
Yeah.
All right, we'll holler at you guys, man. We'll holler at you guys. Thank you guys. We'll see y'all. So, I put him on the spot. Hopefully he is subscribed. If not, you better be, bro. What's up, fellas? Gang, gang, man. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Oh! Almost got me cussing, man. What's up, bro? Hey, man. Got one question for y'all, bro.
What's up? What's up, man? You go hard?
Yeah! You're not subscribed, bro?
Yeah, you drive the Hellcat.
Okay, you subscribe, bro? Man, let me see the curls, bro. Oh, Lord! I'm gonna let that one pass because he got the curls, but you subscribe, bro?
Shit.
All right, you know what that means, man. We're gonna have to cut this part out of the vid, man. But no, just but he will subscribe. He gave me his word behind camera. Oh yeah, in the high country.
Yeah.
I don't know who it was, man. I was just driving out of town. Oh! But yeah, he started downshifting and revving and stuff, so I just put it in drive and gave him the sauce, man. Give him the sauce. But appreciate you guys, man. Thanks for watching, bro. Thanks for watching. Hey, Rigo Juarez on YouTube. Stop playing, man. Damn. What's up, man? Hey, hold on. Whoa! Hold on. Cut! We are back over here with the train horns. Show them what you just did, man. Show them what you just did.
Subscribe them.
Oh, Lord! That's what I like to see, man. Hey. Man, he even hit the noti bell. That's my man right here, boy. Let's go. All right, guys. I'm going to get back over here. I'm going to try and film some of the rest of these cars before it gets shut down for hooligans like you guys. So we're gonna walk back. Oh, ain't nobody in there. Oh, thank you, sir. So it's starting to fill up. We will see how crazy it gets. Back up, Terry. Back up, Terry. Back up. Whoa. I don't know who this is, but I just decided to help somebody back up. I appreciate you guys. Ah! Hey, whose man's? Who gave him the keys to a car? Oh man. Hey, tell him what you did, man. Why where's your car?
It's at home because I got arrested.
For what?
Racing down 338. Yeah.
These dudes really do it out here, man. So watch out for these guys if you are on the streets. And really watch out for a man that wears a Cardinals jersey. I'm out. Hey, we'll see you guys here in a little bit. Oh!
Baby.
Ah! These kids are wild, man, but oh, he's back! He's back, baby! Yes. What's up, man? That's some really nice paint on that. I don't know if it's a paint or if it's a wrap, but sweet little lineup. You got your Skittles all up over here. You got your reds, you got your dark grays, you got your Skittles orange, you got your Skittles yellow, you got your Skittles orange over there, you got your Skittles purple, you got your lime green, you got your teal blues. So we, hold on, man. Hey, I'm gonna hit your ride. I'm gonna hit your ride. Talk to me, man.
Where's Camo Cat?
Hey, Camo Cat is down for repairs, bro.
Big ass cowboy
Yep,
fan.
yep.
Oh my God, man. Oh my God. What's up, bro? What's up, man?
How you been?
Chilling, bro. Chilling, big bro.
Cowboys.
What's up, dog? What's up, pimp? What's up, player? What y'all up to, man? See, you got the My Little Pony up there on the top. That's nice. I like that. So, man,
Shit.
What's up, bro?
what's your name?
Mark.
Rigo, man.
Nice to meet you.
What makes you become a Cowboys fan? Hey, look right here, dude. Don't look up there. You gotta look. I see him. He's like he gets that. Look at the deal. What on earth makes you become a you know, Cowboys fan, dude?
Well, I mean, we got 5 rings.
Did you lose a bet or?
I'm a Cowboy. I'm a hard Cowboys fan from the heart.
Okay. There was a guy giving me a bunch of crap in the comment section. He said for me to get the hell out of Texas unless I'm either a Cowboys fan or I'm pro-Trump. What do you think about that, man?
Trump and the Cowboys.
Oh! What's up, man?
Buddy, how are you?
What's up, buddy? It's a nice car, brother. Alrighty, that'll get us kicked out, huh? Hey, yeah, that'll get us kicked out. Sounds good, man. Sounds really good. But, so we got a lot more people over here. There's a lot more people in the back as well, so. Got a little Dakota action. What's up, fellas? Gang, 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 gang. I used to have a truck like this, man. What's up, bro? What's up, man? Oh, what's up, baby? What's up, good? What up, Israel? Hello, how you doing, young lady? Nice to see y'all back.
Yes, sir.
What y'all been up to, man? Just hanging out, dude.
Chilling.
So I don't know if you remember this guy, but he was in a Mustang, or was it a Camaro?
No, we're in this.
Oh, y'all were in this, huh? Okay, so what we got going on here, man? But he subscribed, he hit that bell notification, so did his girl. So we got to give him much love. But I appreciate you guys, man. Y'all have a good time, brother. We'll see you. Somebody's lost. Oh! What's up? What's up, man? What up? What up? Oh! Ah! Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? What's up? You backing it up? You backing it up, Playboy? Back it on up. Whoa, whoa, man, somebody painted the windshield. What's good? What's good? Oh, there it is. What's up, fellas? What's up? What's up, man? What's up, guys? Ooh, little RT. What's up, baby? What's up, man? What's up? What's up, bro? What's up?
Snap, bro. What's the snap?
Hey, what's the snap?
Yeah, what's the snap?
Hey, man, the snap is RIG. RIG. Juarez. Y'all gonna hit that up, man? Hey, everybody get back. Get back.
Oh, yeah.
So I got one question for y'all. Everybody, look at the lens. Hey, y'all subscribe, man?
Yeah, of course.
Are you subscribed, bro? Are you subscribed? That's what I like to see. What up, baby? Diablo's in the house. What was?
Stick in the back, get the stick in the back.
Hey, man, let me go check this out one time, man. He's never what?
Never satisfied, cuz.
Stop playing with my man. Stop playing with him. You know he got the Mexico flags in the back. Oh, who left a jar of pickles up in here? Oh, we're on some homeless man's territory or what's good? Oh, yo, what's up, what's up? Oh, Lord, somebody took a key to the side. Woo! Somebody got a new whip. What's up, bro? What's up, man? There we go. What's up, Pip? What's good? What's good? And you got Big Bertha up in here. Woo! Nice. Hey, bro, don't put it in drive. I'm kneeling right here. So we're gonna speed this through. Woo. There you got some clean, bro. It's clean, man. Woo! Got a lot of clean whips here, man. A lot of clean vehicles. Dave, is that you? Got the brand new. Oh man. What's up, man? Woo! What's up, baby? What's up, man? Woo! Woo! Yo, what's going on? We got a buddy on the video, baby. What's up, guys? Hey! Do I owe you money or what? What's up, man? What's up, fellas? What's up, man? Hey, y'all stay up, man. It's much love around here. What's up, bro?
Hey, what's going on, man?
What's up, man? What's your name, man?
Luis.
Rigo, what's up, man? Hey, y'all subscribe, bro?
Alright.
Let me see it, man. Let me see it, bro. Let me see it. Pull it out, man. Hey, nah, not the phone. We'll see y'all guys later, man. Yeah! What's good? What's good? Woo! What's up, baby? What's up, man? What's up? Hey, bro. Cigarettes are bad for you, man. It's all right. What's up, guys? We'll holler at y'all, man. Say it one more time, man. Say it one more time for the people in the back.
Make sure y'all follow him on YouTube, y'all.
Man, tell them what it is, man.
I don't even know what it is, too.
Oh, my God.
I your videos, though, about that camo cat shit. Hey, but he never recorded when I bring the white truck out. He did. He got you on the last one. I seen that shit.
So you didn't watch my video, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, solo. Man, you snitch yourself out, bro.
Tell him to take his shirt off. Let him show you who he be repping.
Show me the tits, bro. Oh, I like that, man. Hey, you.
Limitless.
There you go. Say it one more time.
Right there on the back of that car right there that you standing next to. Hey.
So, there you go. Limitless Creations. Show them a little bit of love. What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Another Limitless. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Ain't nothing too special about
Is this your car?
Yeah.
No, this is where you say, I'm standing by it, ain't I? And then I come in and say, you know, a lot of people knows a lot of things around here, and one of them things is, it's not how you stand by your car, it's how you drive your car. What's that off of, bro? What's that off of?
Fast fish.
There we go, man. Hey, y'all take it easy, bro. Sounds like we got a little vacuum cleaner Pro Charger action back here in the back. What's up, baby? What's up? What's up, man? Hey, give him the man trans a little jiggle one time, man. Ah! Woo! What's up, baby? Man, you got something in here, even the midgets could change the oil on, man. Walk underneath it. All right, so we just talked to the guys here at Starbucks. Oh, sexy lady coming through. Sexy lady coming through. Oh. That's my wife. Yeah. So we just talked to the people at Starbucks. I mean at Papa John's. So the reason we do keep getting kicked out is because they're blocking people's interest of getting in and out. Well, theirs anyways. So we're gonna try and get this a little under control. That way the car scene can continue to live. So, but what were you saying, man?
I just want to get your snap.
Okay, there we go. He wants to snap some. That's it right there, man.
Yeah, bro.
Appreciate you, buddy. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Sir.
And we got the police showing up, so I'm not gonna record this. See you guys here in a bit. So this hood is really sick, man. It's got the ZL1 front end. It's a really, really nice build. LT1. Thing sounds really nice. Really, really nice. You got the YG 400 on the back. What's up, man? Uh-oh, I see the car, but I do not see Goggles. Where is he? Where is Goggles? Where is Goggles? Ugly ass, boy! Yo! What's up, baby? What's up, man? What's up, bro? PD Pablo!
Bro, I couldn't wait.
That's all good, man. I can tell you couldn't. Oh, man. What's up, little man?
Say hi.
Man, these kids all dogging me, man. Ooh, mean mug. Mean mug. I don't want it. Oh, I just dabbed on him.
High five.
What's up, baby? What's up? Ooh, listening to Boosie. Yeah. And here he is, man. Old ugly ass himself, boy. Oh, hold on. Let's let the viewers look. So here you got your platinum fills, heavy as hell. And this, what?
Wait. Before you get there,
Tin Can Man.
let me ask you something.
Let's go
Why
ahead.
don't you take your hat off?
Damn!
Wait.
Hold on, dude.
No.
Hold on, man. There it went. I took it off. What's good, dude? Hey, why don't you take it off and show them that knockoff Bieber haircut you're rocking? Oh, you wish it was a Bieber cut. You look like some half-cut weeds, overgrown grass going up there. Look, God! Did my man just wake up? Oh, man. Look at that. Whoa! Does that truck have a drop or are you just tall as hell, man? Oh, here we go. What's up, Big Bird? Rigo, man, Rigo. Oh, man. So what's up, dude? What's up? From here, man?
Nah. Wichita Falls.
Wichita Falls, man. So I'm sure you ain't subscribed to my YouTube channel. At 500, I hosted a big meet over there, and I'm like, yeah, that was big. So I'm like at 27, 2,800 YouTube. So I want to see you in the comment section. All right, my man, Big Bird. Later. Big Bird. Goggles is back at it again. Ooh, would you look at the wheels?
Yeah, right now.
Oh, what's up, baby? What's up, man?
Andamos
What's up? Andamos aquí, ¿con qué?
Andamos a salir para buscar el video.
Oh, Rigo Juárez en YouTube.
Juárez,
A ver. ¿Qué pasó?
¿Famoso?
No, nada.
Sí, se ve que sí.
No.
Oh, anda bien, hermano. Mira.
Y'all subscribe? Y'all subscribe? Ahí nos vemos. Mucho cuidado. Muchas gracias. Ándale pues. Yo. Mañana yo creo. En la tarde. Ándale pues.
Ahorita para todas las nenas.
Dile algo.
Aquí estamos.
¡Agua! Oh, man. All right, so this is my Mexican friend. Hey, hold on. Look at me real quick. I'm trying to get it to focus. There we go. All right, so tell them what the setup is, Gio. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to find out the hard way. I'll catch you at 2K.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
All right.
Guess so.
So you heard it here first, man. I'm fixing to catch this man at Texas 2K. We can go ahead and put about 200 on it. 60 roll? 200. There we go, locked it in. So look for that video on the Texas 2K video. What's up, baby?
Good, bro.
You can recognize it with all the facial hair, man. Looking real extra. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, man, I've been real good. What y'all been up to? What's up, man? I like the curls, B. What's up, dude? What y'all up to? And you, man, what's up with this? Whipple? Yeah, this thing's nice, man. Real, real nice. You saw me lock in. I'm about to steal this man's lunch money. Where is he at? Gio, I'm gonna steal this man's lunch money at 2K. This is the finest example. This is the finest example of a pocket buddy. Real small, his car's really slow, so he rides off of other people's waves.
Hey, and I got a pocket.
And he got a pocket rocket. Yeah, you ain't got nothing,
Hey, you
man.
don't see that too?
Hey, you think it's a pocket rocket? It's a normal sized bike. You just small as hell. So, let's go ahead and take some more look at some vehicles. What's up, baby? What's up, man? What's up, Blair? What up, Gene? What up? What up? Hello, young lady. How are you? Ain't got nobody in there, man. They're wasting all that damn energy. Who owns the Dakota? The Cowboys, man! Go figure, man. Go figure. Wasting gas, wasted season. Oh, man. Oh, God. I got one question for everybody in the truck, man. What's up? Y'all subscribe?
Not yet.
Oh,
Hey,
my achy breaky heart.
Hey, we see your video, but I go subscribe when I get home.
When you get home, man, where's your phone?
Right here. Oh, what?
So what's the deal?
What's your deal?
Rigo.
Clean ass video.
Woo! Let's go! Subscribe! Oh. My man, I appreciate you, bro. I heard it last time. At the last one, you were revving it up. Oh, hey, get off and do that again. Get off and do that again. Oh, get in that truck, man. What's up, man? What up, baby? What up? Oh, shit. Security's here. Security is here. Wait a minute.
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, baby? So, I'm gonna go ahead and...
What's up, channel though?
Oh, my... Rigo Juarez. Man, you're subscribed?
Yeah.
Tell your man, boy. Get your man right. Hey, friends, put other friends on.
Hell yeah.
All right, man. I'm gonna let y'all go, buddy. I appreciate it. This will probably be dropped tomorrow. We'll catch y'all guys later. Yes, sir.
I bet.
Yeah, y'all take it easy, man. It's somebody's birthday! Woo! Hey! Look at that hang down.
The video drop.
Tomorrow!
Alright.
Hey!
What's up, bro?
I seen you at the gas station, man. What's up, man? How you been? Good? Take care of yourself, man. Have a good night, brother. We'll see you. Hey, you only left one, man! Oh!
Hey, that's your YouTube channel.
Crank that up, man. Crank that music up.
Crank it up.
Rigo Juarez, man. Rigo Juarez on YouTube. Y'all better subscribe. You already know what time it is, man. Are y'all subscribed?
Nah, I'm boxing out.
All right, say that again, man. He just roasted me a while ago. I'll give it to him. What did you say?
The phone to the bottom line.
Hey, what's going on, guys? I know it's nighttime, but I do know that the sun looked like it was coming up. That's just my hair taking vacation, but we'll get back with you here in a little bit.
For their hair now.
Hey, man, I'm gonna have to get that rattle can.
My little league, you saw that, man.
5-0's here. Everybody get ready to dip. Hey, there you go. Go ahead, babe. Get in there and turn it on for me one time. So we are going to go and take a
small little cruise. Marie went ahead and wet all the windows again. I just washed it, but we're gonna take a small little cruise, maybe go to Sonic, and we'll see what's going on over there at Sonic. We'll see you guys in a bit.
You already know what time it is. After a late night of shenanigans, it is time to get some food. So we are here at none other than Whataburger. We are gonna get some food and then we are going to go home. It is 12:30. Some wild stuff happened tonight, but I'll let you guys know a little bit later, maybe in another video. We'll see you.